Well, what's going on, my good people, on this lovely Friday? Sorry for the late upload. I meant to do this earlier today. I'd like to congratulate the winners on the 3K giveaway. The next giveaway will be done somewhere between Christmas and New Year's. So get that notification bell ready. And yes, it's on me, the Who Has the Heat. Been pushed back to next week. We just got some things, me and the family, and we got to iron out for the changes for the video. So if you haven't grabbed on my sis 313, congrats to her. She just hit 500, making her way to 1K. Then the bros PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF. Also sisters making moves, Pam M and Princess Fame as well. Also, don't forget to check out the homie Snooch Custom. Any custom design shirts, he's the person for you. And also the homie Money Run Clothing. Use that code, do what you like, and you will get 20% off your order. Now, like I said, I'm late getting this up, so it's gonna be no intro, no outro. Just put their description in once this video is up. You feel me? So let's get right into it. Y'all already know about this bot, part of that international pack. I went down and treated size. Probably could have went down half a size because I don't like my my 4 is creasing. As you can see, Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Special Edition. You already know it's these FIBA joints. You didn't know what FIBA stands for. It's French, right? Federation of International, or Federation, what is that? Federal International of Basketball Association, or FIBA, just International Basketball Association. But interesting information, but totally useless, right? You got the RF code, you got that scanning code there, and you have the $200 price tag. Jordan Brand, they found a way to put that extra $2 on there. I don't know if the box is worth it, but it is what it is. For those of you trying to get the 12s to go with this set, grab them because they moving slow. You know, some Jordans move slow, some move quick, some you can reach back. And then up in here, this one doesn't have a QC, quality control code, but I always got the receipt on deck. Thanks to my daughter. See that? $146, so not too bad. All good in the field. Paper, a little wrinkle, but that's okay. It ain't about the paper, it's about the shoes. Let me see what we got in here. Anything in here spectacular I need to know about? 2 different laces. You got the white and you got the blue. I may go with the blue to break it up a little bit. We'll see. Because what? Y'all know like that. Look at that. That is a clean shoe. I do love red. I may just leave the red in there. Let's see the ass on this shoe. Got that gold spanker wankle at you. Let's go. On the bottom of it, got the herringbone traction, your mini jump man. The thing that's gonna drive me crazy is the white, because once you wear it as a wrap, so you already know what you gotta do. You gotta clean these joints after you wear them, especially the ones that got the translucent bottoms or clear bottoms. You should clean them after you wear them. You got the pop-out stars right here. Everything is on point. Come around to the toe box. A little bit of glue imperfection, not that major. The stitching, look at that. Look at that old stanko rankle. That is soft. It's I don't know what. Then you got the FIBA International flavor right here. Some people say they prefer the netting, but I'm kind of biased towards 4, so it don't really matter. Then you got your cone lace holder here, your red laces. You got your Jumpman with the flight stitched in here. You got the leather weather on the tongue, and you got the blue hits coming off of here. Coming on the side, you can see at the bottom on the mud guard here and stuff like that, you got the white. The blue paint looks to be on point. I mean, I've seen some that tends to be kind of wavy and kind of cheesy. Then you got some more of that FIBA here, which should be the netting that's normally on the 4s. And look, just look at that. Ooh, doggy, nice. Most people like the back of this, right? Because you got the gold hit. That really just pops out. But just think if they would have put that in Nike Air, these would have sold out, no doubt. Then on the back here, you got your 3 pop-outs, which is very, very dope. Coming around on the media side, pretty much the same thing. I missed the air bubble unit on the other side, but it goes on both sides, same color, so nothing spectacular. Like I said, the leather on these is just great. Very, very dope. Pull this out. You got all these little details, right? For the love of the game. Like that. And then you got your shoe tree. If you have a legit pair. If I can get it out of there. I ain't even try these on. I just grab and go. See that? 10 and 10 and a half QL-8L. All of that good stuff. And inside too, you got your red insole, as you can see, with the size 10. And you get your QR code as well if you want to check your shoes out to make sure they're legit. Production date 12/18/18 to 4/23/19. So pretty good time to produce these shoes. So I always do. On a little meter, we ain't gonna hold back. I think these joints are fire. So on a little meter, I give them about a 4.9 out of 5. You can agree, you can disagree, but it's my video. That's all. I'm not just kidding. Yeah, just let me know what you think. I give it a 4.9 out of 5. You feel me? So if you feel like it, share this out to a family member, friend, as we try to move to that 4K. You always know how it is. It's hashtag brick by brick, because that's how we doing things, one brick at a time. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.